The 20th century was the century of extraction. The human species prospered at immense velocity, both measured in population growth and living standard. Technology, as the result of human intelligence, was the key enabler. But we prospered on the back of uncovered loans from nature, namely fossil fuel extraction and food production that depletes and pollutes nature. The 21st century is the century of limitation. It is evident that we far overshot Earth's resource boundaries, and we have to stop our extractive and pollutive behavior to continue to prosper as a species in balance with the planet's ecosystems on which we depend. Our species' ability to act for its own good in the longer term falters when facing short-term vested interests. It is key that we overcome this. In the next 40 years, the human species has to produce as much food as it did the last 10,000 years. And we have to do it in balance with our planet's ecological resources. Part of the solution is decoupling food production from nature. Technologies such as precision fermentation, cowless meat, and indoor agriculture hold the promise of a food production that is decoupled from nature and no longer extract and pollute natural resources. Among these, indoor agriculture, also known as vertical farming, is fast becoming a new plant-based food supply chain that is local, carbon neutral, and leaves nature alone. At the same time, it improves taste and health by supplying fresh, pesticide-free crops year-round. In indoor agriculture, a computer-controlled environment simulates ideal climate conditions and carefully provides the inputs a plant naturally requires to develop into optimal food for humans. A plant programming language makes it easy to control the advanced technology stack required and adjust the environment around the plant, tracking thousands of sensor inputs from the farms and applying artificial intelligence in exploring and optimizing the plant's complex nature. Gone are the risks of weather and a long, complex supply chain that is so detrimental to food quality. The new supply chain is digital, short, and local. It enables production to order with harvest on the day of delivery instead of commodity production and long transport. The result is much fresher food and eradication of the 40% food waste in the traditional food supply chain. Some indoor farms are already selling a wide range of crops to retail and food service at organic prices. Already, the potential emission reduction amounts to hundreds of megatons of carbon dioxide. The production saves up to 98% water, and for each square meter in the indoor farm, 200 square meter outdoor farmland can be saved. If we plant forest on the saved land, the net result is carbon sequestering. We are only at the start of the indoor farming revolution. The technology is improving rapidly because with more than 20 harvests per year in a controlled environment, improvements that take decades in outdoor agriculture are achieved in a few months. Food production must be decoupled from nature. Natural food leaves nature alone.